Hi guys, so today we're going to start 8.3, which is factoring x squared plus bx plus c. So notice there's no a, the a is missing, so our leading coefficient for all of these are going to be 1. So our first topic is just going to be factoring. When C is positive. So, I'm going to have my first example, x squared plus 6x plus 8. So we're going to use those puzzles that we worked on Friday. And then the top number is always going to be our C, and the bottom number is going to be our B. So this is x squared plus bx plus c. So in this case, our C is our 8, and the B is 6. That kind of looks like a B. Let's change it to 6. All right, so I have to think of two numbers. When they're multiplied, they are 8, and when they're added, they are 6. So I have 2 and 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. So my factored form would be x plus 2 and x plus 4. To check to make sure that you factored it correctly, you can use FOIL or the box method, and when you multiply it, you should get x squared plus 6x plus 8. All right, now we're going to do an example when C is negative. So, example B, we have x squared minus 5x minus 24. So again, my C goes on the top and my B goes on the bottom. So my C in this case is negative 24, so that'll go on top. And then my B is negative 5. So what two numbers get me negative 24? So 24, I know 12 times 2. 12... Neither of that will get me to negative 5. Then I have 3 times 8. So we have 3 times 8 is 24. Now one of them needs to be negative. To determine which one is negative, we look down here. So our answer is negative, so when we add them, so the bigger number has to be negative. So this time our factored form will be x plus 3 and x minus 8. All right, this is all for our notes today. Super short. I'm sure you guys are happy. Don't forget. Let's see. Don't forget, you need to do your essential question and your summary in order to get full points on your notes. So make sure that you complete both of those and work on your packets. Have a great day.